Hello, I am Roz, the Curly Gym Diva, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the April Mani by Me box. It's $25 monthly or as low as $20 if you want to pay multiple months in advance. I will be sure to link this down below as well as some discount codes for you. But I couldn't help myself with this box. I couldn't wait to get it because it's all about the weather, and living in Eastern North Carolina, yeah, this is just perfect. So this is pretty much, kind of just giving you an overview of what the colors might be for your nail polishes. And then on the back, it actually tells you exactly what you're going to be getting in your box. So this one, you have 2 exclusive plates, 2 early access nail polishes, and then you have a free gift. And the free gift this month is actually a plate. So then you actually have a step-by-step tutorial, just in case you're new to stamping, and you want to create something and you don't know where to start. Here it is. So let's get into what's actually in the box. Here I am trying to conserve some paper, not sure why. Don't come for me. So here we got our 2 polishes, all nicely packaged, and we'll get into those in a little bit. A card that says creativity looks good on you. Yes, it does, girl. You too. And then 3 plates, which I think that this is perfect for the box. I mean, each plate is like $6 to $8 a piece, maybe even 10, and in this box for $25 you get 3. So 2 exclusive and then 1 specialty plate. So let's get into these colors. So the first color is Droplet, and it's like a nice sky blue. And the second color is Cloudburst, and that's more like a grayish metallic color. I usually like to do, a couple of coats, so I'm just gonna, coat that and let it dry for a second. And then we'll come back to that. And here we have Cloudburst, and yeah, it's a little bit streaky with the first coat. I mean, it's lacquer, it's not gel, so, this is how it looks. And then with 2 coats, this is the look. And I actually like them. I'm not sure I would wear them, just plain by themselves. I definitely would probably, use them as a stamping. So these are our plates. This is the first plate, and I really like this plate. You can have your own weather predictions, right? Monday through Sunday. Okay, so this next plate, I just love this plate. It's got like some forest and lightning, and then the hurricane. I mean, Eastern North Carolina, this is what we do. We have hurricanes, and so I'm going to use this like probably today. And then April showers bring me flowers, so yes, that one too. And this is the exclusive plates, or I guess like the free gift, the early release plate, which is just fun. It's got some, just fun sayings and fun designs, and yeah. So usually what I like to do with the colors is I'll stamp them on top of the bottle so I can see what it looks like on the white and black background. But today I'm going to do a little bit different, and I want to swatch the colors on each other. So I'm going to use that hurricane in Cloudburst, and I'm going to put it over the droplet color so we can see like how that'll turn out. Alright, so I'm going to take that Cloudburst and just put it over the hurricane, and then taking my scraper, I'm just going to scrape it off, take my stamper, pick it up, And then yeah, I think that picked up pretty good. It looks good, like a little hurricane. So I'm take that light blue and then just pretty much, center it. It doesn't have to be perfect, just, I just really want to see what the color is going to look like on it. So I'll just stamp it on and roll it off, and yeah, that's super cute. So now I'm going to use this cloud burst, and I'm going to stamp, I'm going to use droplet and, just pick something. It's Sunday, so I figure I'll just use that one. Alright, and it is not even straight. And then I'm noticing that I have gray, the other color around it. So instead of like taking that all out, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to kind of fix your mistake. So I'm just taking some Scotch tape and just cleaning off my stamper. If you want, you can even use a lint roller, but just some Scotch tape, because you don't need that much, is pretty easy. And then I'm just gonna wipe off my scraper. And then I have a pineapple grabber that I also got from Maniology, and you're able to just pick up cotton balls with it and saturate your cotton ball in acetone and just just clean off the plate. It's pretty easy. And then this way, like, if you've used regular nail polish or anything on your fingernails, you don't have to worry about messing up your nails. You can use pineapple grabber, so I like it. Alright, so let's try this again. And I think turning my plate and not using like so much surface area to wipe it off, just scrape it, actually worked a little bit better. So this a little bit straighter. I don't see any gray, and there's a whole bunch extra that I'm not going to use like on my nails, so I'm just going to grab a piece of Scotch tape and clean that off real quick. So I just wanted to make sure that my nail polish was dry, because I had to actually redo this one a little bit, or put like an extra coat of nail polish on it, because again it was a little streaky. But this blue kind of stamped over this gray color really good. It looks cute. Look at that. Sunday, partly cloudy, windy. Yep, it's about right. Alright, so here are my two designs from this new, from the April Mani by Me box. Got a hurricane, got Sunday's weather forecast, and yeah, now I'm just going to put everything away all nice and neat. And that was it. Thank you guys for watching.